when the ice is stuck to your car and you need to get to work by 4:30. Hi guys, it's Sam. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are starting the day kind of early. As you guys saw, I woke up at like 4 a.m. and now I'm going to work. I am really tired and today is finals day for me, so this should be interesting. I actually have a final while I'm at work. So that was great planning on my part. If I'm going to be 100% honest with you guys, my professor moved the final last night. So it was supposed to be December 11th and now it's December 3rd. So that's really nice of him. And then I also have a tax accounting final, which is at 12:30. So what I'm doing right now is it's 4:15 in the morning. I'm gonna go to work now and then I have a final at 8 and I work till 9:45. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do there yet. I do work with someone else, so I'm hoping I can figure out something to do. It's actually Carl. If you guys haven't watched my video with Carl, please go watch that. I really like that video. I'll link it down below. But yeah, I asked him questions that girls are too afraid to ask guys, so I think you guys will really like that. Oh my gosh, the shadow of my steering wheel right now, I really don't like it. Like I was saying, it is 4:15 in the morning and I'm going to go to work now, but this is going to be my final vlog from college. I love filming final vlogs because I feel like everyone loves them, so I wanted to still include this for you guys. If you guys like the video, be sure to give the video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content from me, and comment down below when your finals are. Alright, with all that being said, let's get into the video. I just got to work and I wanted to come on here really quick and just talk about something with you guys because this makes me so scared and I don't know why. Maybe because it's 4 a.m. Right now it is 4:23 in the morning and I have like 6-7 minutes before I have to head into work. I work at 4:30, but I have to go get the key, so that's why I said like 6-7 minutes. I know it's 7 minutes until 4:30. But what I wanted to talk about is sometimes when I come to the Orange Theory parking lot, there's just cars parked like in the parking lot and it makes me so scared because no one's in the car. But like it's also 4:30 in the morning, so why is your car parked here? That's not allowed because nothing's open yet. Not even the Starbucks is open yet. And where are you? I'm just confused. And a lot of this is my anxiety speaking because that's just the type of person I am and that's how I think. But I just really don't like it because I'm alone and I don't know, it freaks me out. And I talk to a lot of people that I work with and they're like, yeah, it's kind of weird when that happens, especially when we're opening alone, just because like it's so early. So like normally if I was in these situations, I would call my mom or call my friends and just have them stay on the phone with me if I ever felt like in an unsafe place. And I don't feel unsafe. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying like if I ever feel like I'm in an unsafe situation, I would call my mom or I would call my friend or something like that. And I know I can always call my mom. I know I can always call people if I really need them, no matter what time it is. But I just feel bad because it's so early and I don't want to wake them up, you guys know? And it's like I'm not in a real unsafe situation, it's just in my head. So for any of you who don't know, I work at Orange Theory. It's literally right here and I have to go around this corner and then into the door over there. And it just scares me sometimes because I have to go get the key, which I'm not going to say where that is just for safety reasons. And then I have to like walk around the building to get into the door. And it just scares me. And the car that I'm talking about is over there. It's a white car. It's this car right here. And then there's like this gas station. So I'm thinking, well, maybe the person's in the gas station, but the gas station's closed. But that's just something I go through sometimes that I wanted to tell you guys about. Right now it's 4:28. I'm still really nervous, but I'm just going to have my mom on speed dial just in case I need to call her, but I think I'll be okay. I'm inside, I'm still really scared, but I will see you guys after work because I can't film here, and yeah, so I'll see you guys at 9:45. I just got out of work. It is actually 7:55 right now. I just got home and I literally love my manager so much. She let me leave early so I can take my final, which was so nice. So if you're watching this, thank you. But I just got home, so I am going to go inside, get on my computer and take my final, and then I'll update you guys after. This is my global business final and it's at 8 a.m. which is in 5 minutes, so I have to go inside and get ready to take it. So I just finished and now we are going to hit save and submit, and we're all done. So Blackboard actually graded the assignment for me, so I ended up getting a 99 on it, which I'm really happy about. I didn't expect to do that good, so I'm really happy about that because I had an 87 in the class and it brought my grade up to a 91, so that's good. The only thing he has to put in now is attendance and my final project that he didn't put in yet either. Like you guys just saw, I finished my final and then I went downstairs to have some lunch just because I woke up at 4 a.m. so I had lunch at like 11, and now I'm heading to the mall to get my new AirPods that I got. My old AirPods broke, so I needed to get new ones just because I use them all the time for editing and everything like that, and my old ones just don't hold battery. They literally hold battery for like 20 minutes and then just don't make it, so that's why I got the new ones. So I just went to Apple and I got the AirPods. I think I might unbox them, but I'm not sure. I still have to decide. But if I do that, it'll be in a video. But if I don't do that, I will still show you what they look like. So this is what they look like. I like them. I think I'm going to like them a lot better than the other ones I have, but I'm not sure. So I will definitely keep you guys updated. But other than that, I am going home right now because I do have a class that starts in about 10 minutes and I have to get on for that. It's my accounting class. So today I have my tax accounting final at 12:30. Right now it's 11 and I have my intermediate accounting class right now. So that is what I have to go to. And I also wanted to talk to you guys about this sweatshirt. Well, it's not really a sweatshirt, it's a jacket. It is so soft. It's from American Eagle. If I could find it, I'll link it down below. I got it for Cyber Monday and I just really like it, so I wanted to tell you guys about that. But with all that being said, I'm going to go home really quick, go on my class, and I will catch you guys before my next final. So it is now 12:20. I am waiting to take my tax final, so I will update you guys after because it's a proctored exam and I need to concentrate on it. So I will see you guys in a little bit. I just finished taking my tax accounting final. It was a little stressful because my computer kept like doing this weird thing with the proctoring system. So like it kept like kind of crashing but not really crashing, so I was getting really stressed out. I think I did well though. I know what I got on the test and I did do well. I'm just scared that the proctoring system is going to flag me because it kept like crashing, but I wasn't doing anything wrong. So I hope it doesn't flag me. I mean, if it does, my professor will look at it and just realize I wasn't doing anything, but it still like stresses me out. But that is the update on that. The only other thing I'm doing for today, final-wise, is studying for my accounting final, which is next week. And right now, I'm editing some videos. Today and yesterday, I filmed like 5 different videos, and let me just say, I was so confused on which footage went where. I'm vlogging a lot now, so like certain videos go in certain places, and I was freaking out because I couldn't figure out which went like in what video, but I think I figured it out. So that is what I'm doing right now. I'm just editing and everything like that. So like, for example, I have a finals video that I'm doing. I might make that a week in my life, I'm not sure. Then I have an Apple unboxing that's coming. I have a morning routine and a 7 p.m. night routine. And then a video I came up with based off of inspiration on something on YouTube that I mentioned in the video. I'm currently editing this video right now and I wanted to include some footage from a Christmas light show that I went to this week with some people in my family, so I just thought I would include this now since it is a college week in my life. So here is some nice pretty scenery of a Christmas light show I went to at Skyland Stadium in New Jersey, and then we will get back into the final part, which was honestly so stressful.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow
is now Tuesday and I have my presentational speaking final that I have to present. So I just thought I would tell you guys that, and I'm going to go do that, and then I will update you guys on how that went. I'm covering the people's faces because I don't know if they want to be on camera, but I am on my team's presentation slide waiting for my teacher to come on. My presentation went well, and now my presentational speaking class is over. So 3 classes down, 2 to go. I am literally wrapped in a blanket because I'm so cold, but I have my intermediate accounting exam today. I am so stressed out about this exam, it's not even funny. If I don't do good on this exam, it could really hurt my grade, so I'm stressing out so much. I am going to go ahead and take it, and I will update you guys after, but please start hoping that I do good on this exam or I'm really going to be so upset. I'm back wrapped in my blanket because I'm so cold still. I took my exam. It was okay. It wasn't too hard, but like it was still hard, if that makes sense. It wasn't as hard as I was expecting, but still hard. So it didn't grade it for me because my professor doesn't allow the grades to be available until after everyone takes it, which is kind of annoying. Like, I get why she's doing it because she doesn't want us freaking out about our grades, but I wish I could just like know my grade because I would like to just know it. But that is the update on that. I'll see you guys tomorrow for my last final. It's my last day of finals. I have my organizational behavior final today, and I'm really stressed, to be honest. I did not study at all for this class just because I was studying all week for my accounting class, my intermediate accounting class, and that final was so stressful. But I'm about to go take this final. This final is again proctored, so I can't like show you guys, but I will definitely update you after on how I think I did and how the exam went and everything like that. My exam is over. I am so tired and like still stressed out for my accounting exam yesterday because I just did like really bad on my second accounting exam. And it's okay because she curved it, but my grade isn't where I want it to be in the class. So if I did good on this exam, it could really help me. But if I did bad on this exam, it could really hurt my grade. So I'm really hoping I did good, even though that exam was yesterday. My organizational behavior class, I'm a little stressed out because even though the exam was okay, like it wasn't too bad, it was my only test in this class for the whole semester. We had like a project and then just other like simple work. So it's a big part of my grade. So I'm really hoping that I at least got a B on it. But obviously I want an A. So I will keep you guys updated in like other vlogs because there was some like short answer questions on it. So it didn't grade it right away for me. But that is an update on that. Right now I'm actually going to go take a shower and go to Target because Target is literally my favorite place ever. So I'm going to go to Target and get like a gingerbread house and everything like that. So I thought I would take you guys with me just because now that finals is over, I need to like de-stress and take some time to have some fun times and everything like that, but obviously still in a safe way due to everything going on in the world. So I'm just going to Target and then coming home. I still look kind of crazy because I can't go to Orange Theory today, so I'm going to work out on my own at home. That's what I did yesterday as well. But right now I'm heading to Target and I'm going to get the gingerbread house and some other stuff. I need like wrapping paper and stuff like that I mentioned earlier. I just got done with lunch. I ate these like mini whole wheat pita bread pizzas that I made. I really like them. I didn't like make the bread. I just like put all the ingredients on top, but I really like them and they're like that small. So for me, it's like perfect for lunch and everything like that. But I'm going to head to Target, do a little montage of everything that I'm going to do in Target, and then I'll probably come home and just relax. So let's go to Target because Target is literally one of my favorite stores to exist because of how fun it is. I don't know, comment down below if you agree because I know I'm not the only one who thinks that. I've seen so many videos on YouTube of people like, I'm obsessed with Target, and it just makes me feel so much better because then I know that I'm not the only one obsessed with Target. And I'm gonna stop talking now because sometimes I just ramble because I love talking to you all, but let's go.
Well, I'm all for Christmas. All the happy.
I just got back from Target, and in this video I'm only going to show you 2 of the things I got because first, they didn't have a gingerbread house and I was so upset they sold out, and the other 2 things I got are gifts, which you guys will see in a different video. But the first thing I got was just this red wrapping paper. I think it will be good for at least one of my gifts. One of the gifts that I'm giving my mom for Christmas is huge, and I'm gonna say it because she already knows. It's the big XL foodie grill, and let me just tell you guys, this thing is huge. So I think I'm going to have to use like half of this wrapping paper to even wrap it, but I am doing another video on like what I got people for Christmas, so stay tuned for that. And the other thing I got instead of the gingerbread house, since they didn't have it, was this waffle and pancake mix. These waffles look so elegant, so I wanted to try it out. So I'm going to make it for like my brother one morning or something like that. Right now I'm actually going to Bloomingdale's because at least the one in my town is closing, and my friend said they're having such good sales. So I'm going to go there because I'm really close, and I'm going to see if they still are open and if they're still having sales. Well, Bloomingdale's had a lot of stuff, but nothing that I was looking for. I was looking for like certain Christmas gifts, and I just didn't know if the people would like what I was going to get. So I didn't get it. I'm going to get something that I absolutely know they would like. But with all that being said, I'm going to end the vlog right here just because it's getting later in the day. I have to film another video today, and if I keep vlogging, I won't film the video. So I hope you guys understand. If you guys liked the video, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content from me, only if you want to, and comment the pink heart emoji down below. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!